Roman to integer. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. For example, 2 is written as double I in Roman numeral, just 2 ones added together. 12 is written as X double I, which is simply X plus double I. The number 27 is written as double X V double I, which is double X plus V plus double I. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not 4 I's. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV, because the 1 is before the 5 we subtracted, making 4. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as IX. There are 6 instances where subtraction is used. I can be placed before V and X to make 4 and 9. X can be placed before L and C to make 40 and 90. C can be placed before D and M to make 400 and 900. Given a Roman numeral, convert it to an integer. There's 3 examples. The first example is 3 because there's 3 I's. The second example is 58 because L is 50, V is 5, and 3 I's are 3. The third example is 1994 because M is 1000, CM is 900, XC is 90, and IV is 4. Constraints: 1 less than equal to S dot length is less than equal to 15. S contains only the characters I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. It is guaranteed that S is a valid Roman numeral in the range 1 to 3999. And I'm using Python for this. This is a Python solution to the problem of converting a Roman numeral string to an integer. It defines a class solution with a method romanToInt that takes a string S as its input and returns an integer. The function would initialize a dictionary D that maps each Roman numeral character to its corresponding integer value. It then initializes a variable ans, short for answer, to 0. Following that, the method uses a for loop to cycle through the string S. It determines whether a character's value will be greater or lower if the following character in the string does. The value of the current character is deducted from the total if this is the case. Unless such is the case, increase the total by the value of the current character. The total answer is returned at the end.